Hello my dear children, welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. In this video, let us continue the discussion of chapter number 2, addition. Today, let us learn addition of 4-digit numbers. Example number 1, add 4687 and 3211. Solution. Let us write down the given numbers, that is 4687 and 3211 in this table of place values. Both of these numbers are 4-digit numbers, and we had written these numbers according to their place values. After writing down these numbers in this format, now we can add them easily. Now let us add the digits in ones place, that is 7 and 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Let us write down 8 here. And now let us add the digits in tens place, that is 8 and 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Let us write 9 here. And now adding digits in hundreds place, that is 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Let us write 8 here just below in the hundreds column. And now let us add the digits 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Let us write 7 here. So 7898 is sum of the given numbers. That is, sum of 4687 and 3211 is 7898. Example number 2. Add 7634 and 1378. Let us write down the given numbers in the table of place values. That is 4 and 8 are in ones place, 3 and 7 are in tens place, 6 and 3 are in hundreds place, and 7 and 1 are in thousands place. Now let us add these numbers. So when we add 4 and 8, that is 4 plus 8 is 12. So in 12, 2 ones are there and 1 tens. Therefore, we will write 2 in ones column and we will carry over 1 10 to the tens column here. Now we will include this in the addition of these digits. That is 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 7 is 11. And we will write 1 here and carry the other one to the hundreds place here. And now we will include this one in the addition in the digits in hundreds column. That is 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. We will write 0 here and carry over 1 to the next column. And 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 here. So therefore, the sum of 7634 and 1378 is 9012. Example number 3. Add 5231 and 897. In this example, we notice that One of the given numbers is 4-digit number, the other number is 3-digit number. While writing down these numbers in the place values table, we should be careful and we should write the digits according to their place values. In the number 897, 7 is in ones place, therefore 7 should be in ones column. 9 is in tens place, 9 should be in tens column. 8 is in hundreds place, 8 should be in hundreds column. You should not start writing these numbers from the right extreme or from thousands column. You should write the digits from right to left, not from left to right. So therefore, you should fill the columns from right to left, 7, 9, 8, like this. So if you start writing from left to right, you will go wrong. So now let us add these digits. That is 1 plus 7 is 8. We will write 8 here. And 3 plus 9 is 12. While adding these digits, if you can't add directly in your mind, you can either draw vertical lines and count, or you may use your fingers for counting, whichever is convenient for you. 3 plus 9 is 12, and I write 2 here and carry 1 to the next column here. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11. I will write 1 here and carry 1 to the next column. That is 1 plus 5 is 6. Therefore, the sum of 5231 and 897 is 6128. Example number 4. Add 1689, 3560 and 2648. Here we have 3 4-digit numbers. Let us write down these numbers in the place values table. 1689, 3560 and 2348 are written in the table according to their place values. Now let us add the digits in ones place. That is 9 plus 0 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17. I will write 7 in ones column and carry over 1 to the next column, to the tens column. I will write here, and I will include this in the counting of these numbers or adding these numbers. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. I will write 9 here and carry 1 to the next column. So 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. I will write 5 here and carry 1 to the next column. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. I will write 7 here. Therefore, the sum of 1689, 3560 and 2348 is 7597. Example number 5. Add 2487, 563 and 85. In this question, we have one 4-digit number, one 3-digit number and one 2-digit number. So while writing down these numbers in the place values table, you should be very careful and you should write as shown here according to the place values. So in these numbers 7, 3 and 5 are in ones place, so those should be always written in ones place column. So you should never start writing from left to right, you should always write from right to left. So now let us add these digits in ones column. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. I will write 5 here and carry 1 to the next column, that is to the tens column. So I will write 1 here. So now 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 8 is 23. I will write 3 here and carry 2 to the next column. And I will add 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. I will write 1 here and carry 1 to the next column. 1 plus 2 is 3. I will write 3 here. Since there are no digits here, these may be considered as zeros. So now the sum of 2487, 563 and 85 is 3135. Example number 6. This is a word problem or a descriptive type problem. Let us read and understand this before solving. There are 1247 pages in volume 1 of a book and 1335 pages in volume 2. What is the total number of pages in both volumes together? So there are 2 volumes of a book, volume 1 and volume 2, and there are different number of pages in both volumes. In the first volume there are 1247 pages, and in second volume there are 1335 pages. We have to find the total number of pages in both the volumes put together. Let us find. The total number of pages in both volumes can be found by adding the numbers of pages in each volume. Let us write down the number of pages in both the volumes in the place values table as shown here. 1247, 1335, one below the other according to the place values. After writing down these numbers in place values table, now let us add the digits in ones place first. That is 7 plus 5 is 12. I will write 2 here and carry 1 to the tens column. And 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. I will write 8 here. And there is no carry this time to the next column. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And now the digits in thousands column are 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So therefore, the total number of pages in both volumes of the book is 2582. So like this, you have to understand the given word problem, and then you should write the numbers in the place values table as shown here. After that, it will be easy for you to add the given numbers. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children.